Did you know there's a vegetable that's been a staple for centuries, used in cuisines, medicine, and sustainable farming worldwide? Meet chayote, a humble yet powerful plant with endless uses and a fascinating history. Let's uncover the secrets behind this versatile and nutrient-packed wonder. Chayote, a versatile and humble vegetable, traces its origins to the lush and fertile lands of Central America, where it has been cultivated for centuries by indigenous peoples. Known scientifically as Secchia medullae, this gourd-like plant belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, alongside cucumbers, melons, and squashes. Its journey from a regional staple to a global ingredient is a testament to its adaptability, nutritional value, and culinary versatility. In its native regions, chayote was revered not just for its edibility but also for its role in sustainable farming practices. The plant's vigorous growth and climbing nature made it a valuable crop for intercropping, while its ability to thrive in diverse climates allowed for widespread cultivation across varying terrains. Over time, Spanish colonists introduced chayote to Europe, Africa, and Asia, spreading its cultivation far beyond its original homeland. The uses of chayote are as diverse as its global reach. In culinary traditions, the entire plant is utilized, from the fruit and leaves to the roots and seeds. The fruit itself is mild in flavor, making it a perfect canvas for absorbing spices and seasonings. In Central American cuisine, chayote is often steamed or boiled and served as a simple side dish, seasoned with salt, lime, and chili. In Mexican cooking, it finds its way into stews, soups, and even desserts. Across the Pacific in Southeast Asia, chayote is stir-fried with garlic and soy sauce or added to curries and noodle dishes. In India, it is known as chow chow, and is a popular ingredient in sambars and chutneys. The young shoots and leaves are cooked as greens, while the starchy roots, known as a chintal in some regions, are prepared like potatoes, boiled, or mashed to accompany hearty meals. Beyond its culinary applications, chayote holds a significant place in traditional medicine and nutrition. Packed with vital nutrients, it is low in calories and rich in vitamins C and B6, potassium, and dietary fiber. It is often recommended in weight management diets and for individuals managing hypertension or kidney issues due to its diuretic properties. Traditional healers have used chayote leaves to create herbal infusions for treating kidney stones and regulating blood pressure. The seeds, rich in antioxidants, have also been utilized in various remedies. This medicinal value, coupled with its affordability and ease of growth, has cemented chayote's reputation as a superfood in many cultures. It has even gained attention in modern nutritional science for its potential role in promoting cardiovascular health and managing diabetes. Agriculturally, chayote is a boon for sustainable farming practices. The plant's rapid growth and climbing vines make it an excellent option for maximizing space in small farms or backyard gardens. It can be trained to grow on trellises, fences, or even trees, where it produces abundant yields with minimal maintenance. Additionally, chayote plants improve soil health by creating natural ground cover, preventing erosion, and retaining moisture in the soil. Their ability to thrive in diverse climates, from tropical rainforests to temperate zones, has made them a valuable crop in regions facing food security challenges. Farmers in these areas often interplant chayote with other crops, allowing it to act as a natural shade provider and pest deterrent. Its adaptability and high yield potential have led to its inclusion in discussions around sustainable agriculture and food sovereignty. Chayote's journey from an ancient staple in Central America to a global agricultural and culinary icon underscores its cultural and practical significance. Its mild taste and culinary versatility make it a beloved ingredient in diverse cuisines, while its nutritional and medicinal benefits highlight its importance in health and wellness. Agriculturally, it continues to be a symbol of sustainability and resourcefulness, contributing to food security and ecological balance. Whether steamed on a plate, brewed into a medicinal tea, or growing in lush vines across a farm, chayote embodies a connection to nature's resilience and abundance. Its enduring relevance across centuries and continents speaks to the profound impact of this unassuming vegetable on human life and culture. From its ancient roots in Central America to its global culinary and agricultural impact, chayote proves that simplicity can be extraordinary. Whether enhancing health, transforming recipes, or supporting sustainable farming, chayote is a true gift from nature. Explore its potential and embrace its timeless value in your life.